we've reached the stage where we're going to supply the solution to white to deliver checkmate in a maximum of 13 moves. Well, the key move is rook takes f4. We're totally ignoring the threat down here on the second rank because we are threatening rook h4 check, which would wrap the game up more or less. Check all of that out for yourselves. So although black has a number of replies, as I mentioned in the earlier short, the obvious reply is to double rooks on the 7th and win a piece straight away. So how does white respond? He's in check. Well, he quite rightly takes back, and black recaptures. If he recaptures with a pawn, that doesn't work either. Check it out for yourselves. But he's going check, so he's stopping rook h4. This is the point. So what does white rather do here? Well, he plays there. It's really his only move when you look at it, but it's more than good enough because white is renewing his threat of rook h4, and should black play queen h7 check, then it's rook h4, and white will be winning. However, black notices that with what he considers to be a neat resource here, he can easily equalize the game and probably eventually win it. What he does is he plays queen g2 check. He is going to be able to force the exchange of queens, which he does, plays here. Now there, what he's expecting, of course, is that white will take that rook and then black can take one of the knights and black is ahead in material. There's no problem down here, if you notice, because the bishop is controlling a8. So, what happens? Well, in fact, he leaves the rook alone and he plays rook h4. Check. Now, if he plays bishop h6, it's even quicker than in the text. So he goes here. What do we do now? Well, what we do now is we play knight takes e7. Check. And now we see the point of white's strategy. Black only has one move there. He has to take this knight. And in so doing, you notice, that pawn cannot be stopped from queening. Now, to wrap this up in the 13 moves, he has to get his king off the back rank. We play here check. He goes here. We take it. Just take a look at that. He interposes. We queen our pawn. He takes the bishop. We go here. And can you see what's coming? Yes, he only has the one move, doesn't he? And then all that we need to do is to play there. And I think you'll agree